Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. I am here at Serenity Gardens once again for the meeting of the Bonsai at the Royal Botanical Gardens Club. Kind of an informal get-together where people are working on trees. So let's go have a look at the gardens. Indoors there's a social lunch. It's very, very nice in here. Here we are in the gardens and there is some beautiful, beautiful trees in here. So I think we'll start on this bench over here. There's a larch cedar composition there. A larch forest here. Korean hornbeam forest here. A barberry. Juniper larch composition here. Two larches. Looking good. And I think that's a cedar and a pine planting. There's a cascading juniper here. A cascading thuja. Very, very nice. Some old deadwood on it. Cascading juniper here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Wow, that's a lot of cascade junipers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row, 7 in a row. Wow, it's amazing. Over here we have interesting composition, larch and juniper. Very nice. There's a narrow larch forest here. And larch up here. Very nice. Larch, another larch forest. Another larch forest. Here's a Ficus benjamina. Looking good. And a larch back there. And another larch here. And down here we've got some junipers. Lots and lots of junipers. And a larch. Another larch clump. And trying to see what this is. I'm not sure. I don't think it's hemlock. Not sure what that is. It's interesting. Not sure what this is, but it's got some flowers coming. Maybe pomegranate? I'm guessing. It's got kind of an orangey flower on it. And a juniper down here in the works. Then we're going over to this bench where we've got a old pine. This is an Austrian pine with a massive root base. Very nice looking tree. Yeah, just amazing. And a yew. Big trunk on that one. That's looking good. Here's an Eastern White Cedar. Very tall, formal, upright tree. And here's another one. I'm not sure what it is. It's either a cedar or a false cypress or something. Maybe even a juniper. Oh, Hinoki cypress. That's what it is. And Eastern White Cedar. Massive trunk on it. Lots of deadwood. Yeah, very interesting. There's a Eastern White Cedar here. Again, a massive trunk on it. Very nice. And another Eastern White Cedar, a tall one. Really nice. Eastern White Cedar again. And another Eastern White Cedar. This is an old driftwood trunk. Yeah, that's just amazing. And some kind of juniper here. Yeah, wow, it's a big one too. And an Eastern White Cedar here. Looking really good. Eastern White Cedar in the corner here. That's good, good looking tree. And here's the famous blue rug juniper group. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this one. This tree is massive. Here's my hand. That's a big, big trunk. It's a big tree. Looks really good though. I don't know if I can show you the whole tree. I have to stand way back here. Then we've got a pine here. I think this is the pitch pine, I believe. Yeah, really nice. Over here, I think this is an Austrian pine, I believe. Yeah, grand old tree. And here's a native white pine. Wow, is that ever cool? Yeah, it looks really good. Amazing. And here we have, I think it's a yew. Yeah, very unusual root base on it. It almost looks, well, like something. Yeah, very nice. Nice foliage on it. It looks really healthy. Here's a burning bush. Wow, looks great. Here's a juniper. Really twisty trunk on it. Here is a juniper forest. Very nice. And this looks like an apple tree. Down there, it could be a pear, I'm not sure, but some kind of fruit tree. Behind that, I think it's a Dawn redwood. Yeah. And here is the birch forest. Looking good. And this one, not really sure. It's got berries on it. I would say it's, I don't know, porcelain berry, beauty berry, something. And there's a potentilla beside it. There's some kind of a Chinese juniper here. Very cool. Another birch here. Looks good. Boxwood. Cool boxwood. A Gold Coast juniper. Some of these trees have labels on them, so that's kind of nice. And another burning bush forest here. It's looking good. And I'm not sure what this is. Kind of a mixed forest planting. Could be Cotoneaster maybe, I'm not sure. Eastern White Cedar here. A birch. White trunk on it. There's a larch forest. Nice. Quince. I think that was quince before. Yeah, here's another quince. Looks good. Grow low fragrant sumac here. Here's a larch forest. I think that's Cotoneaster. And burning bush. And boxwoods, 2 boxwoods. Some potentillas. There's a lot of trees here. Boxwood, or barberry. Potentilla. Maybe quince, I'm not sure. Not sure. This one has the reddish colored leaves. It's cool. Blue rug juniper. Yeah, really cool. Now we've got a big pine here. I have to step back for this one. There's a Brazilian rain tree over here. Oh, this is looking good. It's getting old. Look at the trunk on it. That's the size of it. Yeah, it looks beautiful. There's a larch here. A juniper. Birch. Japanese maple. Looking good. Another very, very large Japanese maple. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. And more Japanese maples here. Well, this one looks like a native maple, or maybe a red maple. Looking good. Birch. Ficus up here. Amber maple here. Big larch, I think. Did I show you that one? I think maybe I showed you that one already. Big larch. Amazing root base on it. See the size of it? Big. A nice larch here. Amazing roots. Oh, it's looking really good. Here's a slanting larch forest. Wow. Amazing. And we got junipers. Another larch forest. One of these ones with the berries on it. Maybe an azalea there? I'm not sure. Quince maybe? Here's a juniper forest. It's looking really good. I think this is barberry, the kind of yellowy green leaf ones. Now this has a purple sand cherry. Okay, I think that's what the other one was. Here's a juniper. Looks amazing. So many nice trees here. Juniper. I think this is an azalea. I'm pretty sure it is. Looks really good. And not sure what that one is. Cherry maybe. I think this is probably a mugo pine. A larch forest. Another larch forest. Yeah, that kind of brings us. There's a big old bird's nest spruce down there. Yeah, lots of amazing trees here. So I brought a few trees to work on. I'm going to work on my northern bog forest, just trimming it up, and my Eastern White Cedar is growing over a rock. So I'll be doing that this afternoon. Bit of carving going on out here. I have finished pruning up my cedars. So here's what I took off. I took off the top of the tree and the top of this one. So here is what they look like. So I shortened them, and they were getting thick, this top part. It was thicker than the trunk. So now I have it a little better tapered, and the apex are kind of windblown like these lower branches. So I think in the future it'll make more sense, but it's, yeah, some pretty major work to these little trees today.